and dive into it.
G.D. Goenka Public School, Siliguri and National English School Baguyati will represent the Eastern Command of the Indian Army in the national finals at the Sam Manekshaw Centre in New Delhi to be held on December 3, 2023. The two schools had won the semi-finals of the Battle of Minds, a national-level quiz competition conducted by the Indian Army, which was held at the David Hall of the Army Public School, Shillong, under Headquarter 101 area. 12 teams comprising both boys and girls in the age group of 10 to 16 years participated in the well-contested rounds. The Indian Army has embarked on a remarkable initiative called Battle of Minds Indian Army Quiz 2023, commemorating the 25th year of Kargil Vijay Diwas celebration. And now for the weather report.